Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss inactive title. Now what if you want that whenever your customer goes away from your website, let's say his website is open right now, you can see we get issues, and if you want a different message should come when somebody goes in an inactive tab, then what should happen? I'll just go into settings, into user experience, and in the user experience I'll go to inactive title. And out here, I'll put in, let's say, missing you already. Now, if I refresh this, and if I move away, you'll see that this tab title will become missing you already. Now, this is a very quick way of getting your customer back to your tab because all of a sudden he sees that, okay, there's something happening here, and he'll come here and he'll see that it's your brand. So that's about it in creating inactive tab titles. Thank you.